Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona wewe. A town hall different from Bala Blue.
Hello, baby.
Olaba. Songa libala. Oh yeah.
This one of my car, no?
Kasongo mbona wewe. Mbona wewe. Mombali nanga
No, I'm serious. I have so many of them.
Really?
Yeah, please, can I get your number?
Really?
Yes, it's my car. One of my car.
One of your cars?
Yes, one of my car.
That means you have them.
I have them many, plenty.
You must be a
What's
joker.
going on here?
No, it's one of my car.
Please, I think I want to
I don't understand. Give me your number now. I don't understand.
Oh, you are not claiming my car as your own car?
Your car? Hey.
Where did you hide it?
You mean this is your car?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Please excuse me, I want to move out.
Sorry,
You are what?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry.
I don't even know it's your car. I'm just lying so that I can get your number.
You're so cheap.
Honestly,
Are you
I'm just
serious?
lying. Okay.
So can you please give me your number so that we'll be lying to ourselves?
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
We are both liars. Can you guys move before I come? Madam, first, everybody go buy car last time. Can you guys move? Oh my God. All these people, all these lovers, they'll not go and look for a motel or anything. Is it around my car? God save them. Either for call area boys on them. Rubbish.